How to create a classic smoky eye look. First, we're going in with our Calm Balm primer to prime the skin, ready for our foundation, which will be Mineral Velvet Cream in the shade New York. Press into the skin for a full coverage and flawless finish. Next, we've used the Liquid Light Under Eye Concealer in the shade Vanilla. Now prime the eyelids with the Antioxidant Shadow Magnet to ensure our eyeshadow and liner stays put. Now we're carving out the cheekbones with the Mineral PROSTICK in the shade number 12. Now time to set all of our wet products, starting with the powder balm under the eyes. Next, going in with Earth on top of our cream contour, followed by Issada Baked Foundation all over the face, setting in place our Velvet Cream. Now we're using Sugar as a highlighter on the cheekbones, inner corner of the eye and high points of the face. For blush, we're using Platinum Pink Baked Blush. Now time to start the eyes. So we're using the darker colour of the Too Spicy and we're blending that on a fluffy brush all through the socket and on the outer C of the eye, just making sure that all lines are diffused and we've got a beautiful base colour to start with. Just keep adding colour and blending until you're happy with the pigment. The best thing about the Issada Ultimate liners is that they can actually be used as a long wearing eyeshadow as well. So we're just popping some of the shade Ninja down to add a lot of depth into our smoky eye, and then we'll go in with a small brush and just blend that out. Next, we've just picked up the dark brown shade from 3 Wishes and we're just blending that, concentrating on the outer C but also bringing it over the lid and through the socket. Just to add a little more oomph, we've popped down some black from Too Bad over the Ninja, followed by Onyx Gel Liner on the lid and also on the bottom waterline. Now to bring the whole eye look together, we'll be using all of the colours that we've used on the lid underneath the eye. So starting with the brown from Too Spicy, followed by the brown from 3 Wishes and then the black from Too Bad. Now go ahead and brush out and then fill in the eyebrows. So for lips today, we'll do a little pop of colour. We've chosen the Hot Tamale Lip Liner, which helps ensure the longevity of your lipstick. And then over the top, we're just using the Luxury Matte Lipstick in the shade Ava. Now to finish up the look, we're just going in with the Protein Mascara in the shade Onyx, and this just adds a little bit of nourishment to the lashes.